Hey everyone, Stephanie Hajar here from Altasciences, Marketing Manager for Laboratory Sciences. And today we're at Mel Studios, located in Montreal, where multiple films have been recorded, including Altasciences' new campaign, Unveiling the Invisible. Let's go in. In this campaign, we're transforming the invisible to the visible. And what we mean by that is we're showcasing the parallel between the power of a tiny molecule on the greater collective and bioanalysis within drug development. No lab, no data, no drug. It's that simple.
Oh, wow.
We sat down to discuss how we can showcase Altasciences' philosophy, core values, and unwavering commitment to bioanalytical services. Conveying the value of something intangible is no easy task. At Altasciences, bioanalysis is more than just a service. It's a commitment we want to share with you.
So how would I describe our scientists? That's an easy one, because there's two words that immediately come to mind. It's passionate and it's innovative. And regardless of the study complexity or the bioanalytical complexity, they are able to think out of the box and constantly find solutions.
Coming soon, Unveiling the Invisible, taking the potential of bioanalysis to the next level.